Hello all, welcome to General Awareness for all competitive exams masterclass in English. So this is our third class. Okay. So first we will see today's question and then we will summarize the current affairs. Now 6, 7, 8 current affairs are remaining. Okay. I hope you already read that current affair from our website. So just we will summarize the current affair again so that it will be better for you to filter out the important current affair and to remember them, right? So let's start with our today's question now. Okay, so today's first question: who is the current Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh? Right? So option Satyapal Malik, Girish Chandra Murmu, R.K. Mathur, and Mudula Sinha. So your correct answer for this is R.K. Mathur. Okay. Now let's see how TCS will twist or ask you. Same for IBPS. So basically, first you should know that the first Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, okay, itself is R.K. Mathur. Okay, that is the full name is Radha Krishna Mathur. So this thing you should remember that he is the first Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh. So first Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh. Okay. So this thing you should remember compulsory. Now when there is Ladakh also they may ask you the question for Jammu and Kashmir, because for Jammu and Kashmir they change also. So for Jammu and Kashmir the first Lieutenant Governor was your GC Murmu. Okay. GC Murmu. This is the first Lieutenant Governor, and now currently second is your Manoj Sinha. Very important for you. Just note it down and make just put star mark on this. Okay. So Manoj Sinha is the second Lieutenant Governor for Jammu and Kashmir. So they will ask you this question, and just remember that. Okay, this date also from 17th of October. Okay, the Manoj Sinha replaces Murmu. Okay, so for from 17 October. So now see the IBPS, how IBPS will ask the question earlier, because this question is already asked by IBPS. Okay, earlier than 17 October, like this. Earlier than 17 October, who was the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? So your answer will be GC Murmu. Okay, after just keep attention on this very important thing. Okay, after 17 October, it is your Manoj Sinha. So just make star note on this also. Very important for you. Okay, so that's the information. This information is enough for this. So let's move further. Next is your question number 12. Which of the following is the first spacecraft from NASA that can study all the four planets? Okay, that is your Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn, and Uranus together. Okay, Voyager 1, DSCOVR, InSight, or Voyager 2. So for this, your answer is Voyager 2. Okay, D. Now the thing is that the first satellite, okay, sent to the space by NASA was Voyager 1 for the study of only Jupiter and Neptune. Okay, so earlier in I guess 1977, so Jupiter and only Neptune for this. But later they decided that the Saturn and Uranus also they can study, because these are near to Jupiter and Neptune. Okay, that's why for they sent Voyager 2, and now recently it was in news because they lost the signal from Voyager 2, and suddenly okay they got the signal from it. That's why it was in news, and that's why the question is asked to you. So just remember, Voyager 1 was only for Jupiter and Neptune, and Voyager 2 was for Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn, and Uranus. Okay, so this information is confirmed. The 13th question, that which country has hosted 2020 ICC Women's 2020 World Cup? Spain, India, South Africa. Okay, this is not a, and Australia. Okay, so your answer is Australia. So basically ICC 2020 was in Australia. Now the important thing is that you should note that this is the 7th ICC Women 2020 World Cup. Okay, Australia won 5th time. Okay, out of 7, Australia won 5 times basically till now. So very big achievement for Australia also, right? And India was runner up. India was runner up. Means in the final, the match was between Australia and India, and Australia won, India lost. Okay, that's why India is runner up. And the interesting fact is that about the final match of ICC Women's 20 World Cup, that it held at the time of 8 March. Okay, on 8 March that final they played, and on 8 March, as all we know, that International Women's Day is there, right? So this is the big thing, that on International Women's Day final is being played by women's for the ICC World Cup 2020. Okay. Now International Women's Day, everyone know. Okay. But National Women's Day, very few know, and yes, they can ask you the question for this also. So just you remember that International Women's Day is on 8 March and National Women's Day, okay, for our nation, that is National Women's Day is on 9 August. So this thing also you should remember. Okay. Then the important thing about the tournaments we will again discuss, because very important topic for you, that the player of the tournament. Okay, who was the player of the tournament? So player of the tournament, that is your World Cup. So it is your Beth Mooney. Okay, Beth Mooney. So she was the player of the tournament. Then also one more important, that they may ask you that most wicket taker. Okay, for upcoming exam you can expect this question from World Cup. So most wicket taker, not keeper, taker. Okay. So the name is Megan Scott. Megan Scott. Okay, and most runs also to Beth Mooney. So that's why player of the tournament is Beth Mooney. Okay, so most runs also made by Beth Mooney only, and player of the tournament is Beth Mooney. So this thing you should remember compulsory, right? And the final match they played at the Melbourne Stadium. Okay, Melbourne Stadium, Australia, Melbourne. So this information is enough, and you can also write the next, that is 2023 World Cup. Okay, it will be in South Africa. So 2023 ICC Women's 2020 World Cup. Okay, we are discussing about 2020, not 50. So just remember this also, that 2023 in South Africa they will play. Okay, so that's information. This information is enough for this question. Let's move further. Okay, who had given the slogan "Back to Vedas"? Okay, Dayanand Saraswati, Mahatma Gandhi, Guru Nanak Dev, Bhimrao Ambedkar. So correct answer for this is Dayanand Saraswati. Okay, so now you can observe that from slogan, that is our history topic, right? They were asking the questions, and there are few slogans, that is 20 to 30 slogans, which you should remember. Okay, so this class I will cover in our GK class, GK series. Okay, already I covered polity class yesterday, so those who didn't see, just go to GK playlist and check our polity, that is your parliament, very important for you, right? So similarly, second will be your dance, and third will be now Vedas. Okay, so I will go like this. So dances we will cover all the dances, and then again Vedas we will cover, okay, in the GK class. So for now, just remember that "Back to Vedas" slogan given by Dayanand Saraswati. Okay, and today's last question is your, which of the following country had organized ADIPEC 2019 event? Okay, Kuwait, UAE, Jordan, Qatar. So your correct answer for this is UAE. Okay, now just ADIPEC, the full form you should compulsory remember, right? Because TCS or IBPS ask you about this, that they will give you this word and they will ask you what is the meaning of I, what is the meaning of P. Okay, so these are basically their favorite questions. So just write the full form, that is your Abu Dhabi. Okay, from name itself you can now think that yes, it was answer should be UAE only. So Abu Dhabi International. Okay, International Petroleum, and for 2020 it was online. Okay, so for 2020 it was not in somewhere, it was just online, and for 2021 they will now decide the location. And also it is based on your corona situation, right? Because till now also it is not in control, so that's why they will decide. So for 2020 it was online, it was not physical. Okay, just remember this. Petroleum exhibition and conference. Okay, so this is basically your conference. So this is your full form of this. So just remember, in 2019 it was in UAE. Okay, so this is all about our general awareness for today's session. Now we will see the current affair summaries. So let's see. Okay, so we are on our website now. I hope that you already read this. Okay, but just important point we will discuss for 6th December. So see, Gitanjali Rao become first ever time kid of the year. Very important for your question. Okay, first question, just underline this and you have to remember. Now Gitanjali Rao is the Indian American young scientist and inventor. Okay, so you should also remember that who is she. Okay, and yes, nothing else, nothing more is required in this. So other you can skip. Just remember kid of the year. Okay, time for Times magazine basically is Gitanjali Rao, and she is the young scientist and inventor. Okay, Indian American. So this is on second is your national current affair. So Venkaiah Naidu virtually releases postage stamp in former PM IK Gujarat's honor. Okay. So basically, this is also not very much important, but still you should remember the late Prime Minister of India and freedom fighter LK Gujral. Okay, that is Inder Kumar Gujral. So this is very important. The next very important is your passage exercise, okay, which is conducted between Indian Navy and Russian Navy. So basically, this question you ask will ask you that passage exercise is between Indian Navy and Russian Navy, okay, or passage exercise is your Navy exercise. So this thing you should remember, okay. Other thing not required that much. Then your Majerhat Bridge, very important. Just put star mark on this, okay. Majerhat Bridge, which is on West Bengal. So basically, it is named Jai Hind to mark Netaji's 125 birth anniversary. Okay, so West Bengal Bridge, that Majerhat Bridge changes name. That is the name changes to Jai Hind Bridge. Okay, so this is very important bridge. Then again, awards and recognition. The next affair is very important for you. That is your Ranjit Singh Desare become first Indian to win 2020 Global Teacher Award prize. Okay, so very important. Just put star mark on this. Sure shot question for you, because the person, okay, is in the news recently, and actually doing very great job. Okay, and from being from a teacher community, I also appreciate his effort that he made, because being a ZP teacher, okay, it is not possible. It is not easy to do such kind of work, right? So that's why the first Indian to receive Global Teacher Prize 2020 is Ranjit Desare. You should remember this person name. Okay. Also, the important thing is that he promoted girls for the education, girl education, and also he developed the quick response. Okay, the full form of QR code in quick response. Okay, so this full form also you should know. Very important, right? And okay, that's it. And this Global Teacher Prize basically is given by Varki Foundation, okay, with the partnership of UNESCO. This should you remember. Okay, so important points. This was all about this. So next, your vice president releases a book on former president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So compulsory remember this book. Okay, again put star mark. So I can see in this on the 6th December there are lots of very important current affairs. So what is the name of book? 40 years with Abdul Kalam, Untold Stories. Okay, released by Vice President, that is Venkaiah Naidu. Okay, so this you should remember compulsory. And yes, that's it then. Nothing more in that. Okay, and next session is your our banking and economy section. So basically, those who are preparing for Canara Bank, that yesterday I released the notification, right? I made the video, and today you will get the strategy video also on our Apna Government Job channel. So compulsory watch that video, and you have to just focus on this section. Those especially who are preparing for banking, okay? Because in banking awareness, you should know this thing compulsory, okay? So Axis Bank launches Axis Bank Rupee Business Credit Card for MSMEs. This important current affair for you, okay, or banking affair I should say. So this you should remember average credit limit, okay. Also this question IBPS will ask you that what is the average credit limit, okay. So it will be your 1 lakh to 2 lakh. So very important again, because this is a little deep, but obviously yes, it will he will ask you. The joining fee is 1000, okay. This okay, that's it. So just remember about this two things. That's credit limit is 1 lakh to 2 lakh, okay, and released by Axis Bank, that is your Axis Bank Rupee business card, credit card for basically MSMEs, that is your micro, small, medium enterprises, right? So this was your 6th December current affair. Now let's move to the 7th December. Pixel to launch remote sensing satellite on ISRO rocket. Okay, so basically Pixel is there, one Bangalore-based space technology startup. So it will he will launch the ISRO one satellite. Okay. Now the important thing is that from the PSLV, that is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Okay, just remember the full form of all the launch vehicles also, because very important. They will ask you. Okay, and this is basically remote sensing satellite. The name of satellite, I guess, it is not given. Okay, so it is at the end of 2020. So that's why. And just remember that also NSIL full form, the government company, that New Space India Limited. Okay, so that's it for this. And yes, that's enough. Then the was just about this Corey Anderson, okay, who played for New Zealand cricket player. He is retired now. So just remember Corey Anderson. Very important section, that is your important dates, to put star mark on this, okay. So on 7 December, 2 days was there Armed Forces Flag Day and International Civil Aviation Day. Okay, so though both the days you should remember compulsory, and in this you can remember now. See, in Armed Forces Flag Day, okay, also known as Flag Day of India. So they either they will ask you Flag Day of India or Armed Forces Flag Day. Okay, so there is chance to confuse you, so just remember this. Okay, important point. And then there is, I guess, no theme. Okay, there is no theme. Okay, and International Civil Aviation Day, very important, and the theme is advancing innovation for global aviation department. Okay, so this point is also important, and otherwise everything just you can skip. Okay, just remember the full form of ICAO, that is your International Civil Aviation Organization. Okay, and summits and MOUs. So basically Bangladesh signed maiden preferential trade agreement, PTA. Okay, so Bangladesh signed maiden PTA, so you should remember this. And with whom? That is with Bhutan. Okay, so basically this is your international affairs. So Bangladesh signed PTA agreement with Bhutan. Okay, and okay, that's it. And basically it is why it is special, because this is the first PTA signed by Bangladesh with any other country after independence. Okay, that's why it is very important. And yeah, that's it. So just remember between Bangladesh and Bhutan. Okay, so this was your 7th December. Now let's move to 8th December. So first international very important affair for you, that China becomes second nation to plant flag on moon. Okay, so very important for you that after US, China is the second. Okay, and you also remember that by the USA when it's planted its flag on the moon during Apollo mission. Okay, so USA, this question you will get for sure either in IBPS or TCS exam. So that's why it is very important that the first flag which is planted on moon by USA under the mission Apollo mission. Okay, in 1969. Also remember this also, 1969. Okay, and the second is China, that your Chang 5 probe of China that they developed in, I guess, 2018 or 19. Okay, so which this is very important and you should remember, and that's it. Then your Sergio Perez wins Sakir Prix. Okay, so Sakir Grand Prix win by Sergio Perez. You also remember this. You should remember, and you should remember that a Mercedes player basically. Okay, so that's it for this, and also it is held at Bahrain International Circuit in Sakir, Bahrain. So basically, Sakir is in Bahrain. Okay, so just remember this. That's it for this. Okay, so just remember Asia Cup 2021 hosted in Sri Lanka. Just remember this. Okay, now Jehan Daruwala become first Indian to win F2 race. Okay, remember this. This is also important. That Jehan Daruwala first Indian to win F2 race, that is Formula 2. Okay, and also if the car name is given, then also you should remember compete for Carlin Motorsports. Okay, this remember. Okay, that's it for this. Okay, let's move further. And today's last section, that is favorite of IBPS, that is your banking awareness. So ICICI Bank launches mobile pay to offer payments. Okay, just remember this. You already know that iMobile app is there of ICICI. So Kotak AMC launches REIT funds of fund scheme. Okay, so this is not require much, so just you can skip this. PNB launches loan management solution, Lens the lending solution, very important. Just remember this in banking awareness. Okay, so Lens means the lending solution launched by PNB, Punjab National Bank. So this thing you should remember. Also you should remember the PNB's COMD details. Okay, so that is also very important for you. Also next is your this thing. Okay, that is your Asian Development Bank approves $190 million loan to upgrade power distribution in Bangalore. So this is very important now for you to remember. Okay, and also remember the full form of BESCOM, that is your Bangalore Electricity Supply Company Limited, and RTGS system to be available on 24/7 basis from December 14. So from December 14, RTGS will be available. Okay, already we discussed the full form in our general awareness series. Okay, I guess lecture first. So just remember RTGS, NEFT, IMPS, all the full form we discussed already, right? So this is very important. Real time gross settlement is the full form of this. Okay, and yes, that's it. Yeah, that's it for today. Okay, so this was your current affairs for 6, 7, 8 we cover. Okay, so tomorrow again we will cover a 9, 10, like that we will go. So now just remember properly all the important things, okay, that we summarize from this 3 days current affairs, and make your proper notes. Also, just share your views on this series, where that is very important for you. If any changes is required, okay, just you can share your feedback also in the comment section. And also don't forget to check the updates on our Apna Government Job channel related to your exam or all these things, okay. And you want, if you want any strategy video for any exam, okay, then you can comment here and then you will get that video there. Also that in the respective playlist you are getting the everything, okay. So all the playlists will which is very important for your exam basically. Just frequently check that playlist, okay, that is very important. So yeah, that's it for today, and compulsory like the video and just share your views in the comment section, okay. All the best.